Webull vs Moomoo Australia, Best Trading App 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Webull and Moomoo in Australia. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is the availability of these platforms in Australia. Over here, Moomoo launched in Australia in March 2022 and offers 24 hours trading on selected stocks and ETFs. After that, Webull is also available in Australia and provides a mobile-first brokerage platform with an easy-to-use interface. Now, let's talk about trading fees. Over here, both Moomoo and Webull offer commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, making them cost-effective choices for investors. Then, moving on to trading tools and features. Over here, Moomoo provides advanced research tools, free access to level 2 market data, and a virtual trading account for beginners. After that, it also offers educational resources to help new investors learn. Then, on the other hand, Webull is known for its user-friendly interface and provides a unique community-driven experience, allowing users to engage with other investors and share insights. Now, let's look at user experiences. Over here, Momo has received decent reviews with a 4.4 out of 5 rating on product review and 3.2 on Trustpilot, although some users reported issues with customer support. After that, Webull has lower ratings with 1.4 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and users have complained about customer service and withdrawal issues. Then, coming to the final conclusion. Over here, both Moomoo and Webull have their unique advantages. After that, if you are looking for advanced research tools, educational resources, and 24 hours trading, Moomoo is a great option. Then, if you prefer a user-friendly, community-driven platform with a strong mobile experience, Webull is worth considering. So that's a comparison between Webull and Moomoo Australia. That's all for this video.